Welcome to the Trend Market Update Report for May of 2012. Well, May showed a continuation of the strengthening housing market regionally. Closed sales exceeded last May by over 15%, and year-to-date, we're about 13.5% above 2011. Pending sales were 14.3% above the year-ago level, and year-to-date, 22% higher than in 2011. Now, based on the strong pending sales in March and April, we really expected the closed transactions in May to be pretty strong, and they were. But it was we had surprisingly strong pending sales in May as well. They were really encouraging, as we had over 6,000 pending sales in the month of May. Now, electronic showing requests did decline slightly, but that's kind of typical for May, as a lot of graduations and school closing end of school year activities and that keep people away from the housing market a little bit. So showings did decline by about 7%, but typically then June they bounce back up. So we'll see next month whether they bounce back up, but it wasn't that strong of a decline anyway. Really encouraging was the median sold price was 3.5% higher this May than it was in May of 2011. And that marked the second consecutive month where the median sold price was higher than the year-ago level. This comes after about 15 consecutive months of lower than year-ago median sold prices. So the prices looks like they've at least stabilized and in fact might be inching back up a little bit. Year-to-date, though, the median sold price is still about 1% below where we were a year ago. Now, contrary to many of the media reports that you might see, distressed sales have continued to decline as a percentage of the total sales. Since February, we hit a high in February of about 23% of all sales were distressed. It steadily declined over the last 3 months, and this month, in May, it was less than 16%. So we're seeing a decrease in the percentage of distressed sales as a percentage of closed sales. June is normally the month with the highest number of closed sales in the year, and this year should be no exception. Right now we're seeing a lot of closings being scheduled for June, so we're expecting good closed sales in June. And although some of these closings, of course, won't be completed because they may be short sales or they may fall through, but it should still be a very good month for closed transactions in June. Thank you for joining us. Stay busy and check the home page for the Market History Report as well as Market Snapshot for all the county level statistics. And join us again next month for June results. Thanks for joining us.